In today's video, I will teach you how to create an oscilloscope or frequencies display in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new image with the dimensions of 600 by 250 pixels. Then fill the background layer with a dark gray color. Now, change the foreground color to a light blue. Then add a new transparent layer on top of the background layer. Now use the rectangle select tool to create a 1 pixel wide but long selection on the new layer. This is going to be the thin line for the frequency display. Now, fill the selection with the foreground color by navigating to Edit, then Fill with Foreground Color. Now, press Ctrl+C to copy the thin line. Then deselect the selection by going to Select, then None. In GIMP, copied elements can be used as brushes. Your copied line appears as a clipboard brush in the brush selection, so select the clipboard brush in the paintbrush tool. Then open the brush tool preferences and adjust the following settings. Set the opacity to 50%, brush to clipboard, then configure the brush dynamics as shown in the video. Then apply jitter with a value of 0.9. Now we're going to paint the frequency display. Start by adding another transparent layer by clicking the Create New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then set the Fill With option to Transparency, and you can also name this layer if you want. Then click OK. Then using the configured brush, paint from left to right across the canvas. And make sure to vary your brush strokes to simulate the look of frequencies. To add variation to the frequencies, change the jitter value to 2.5 and brush scale to 0.5. Then continue painting from left to right, but vary your strokes by leaving some gaps and overpainting other areas. This creates bolder parts that represent loud tones. Now, lock the transparency of the layer by clicking the lock icon in the Layers dialog. Then press Ctrl+ to fill the layer with a blue foreground color. Now unlock the transparency, then navigate to Colors, then Curves. Then set the channel to alpha and adjust the curve to control the thickness of the frequency lines. Pulling the curve to the right will make the frequency spectrum thinner. And for final touches and experimentation, remove any small unconnected parts using the eraser tool. Then fine-tune the curves if needed to achieve the desired effect. Then play with different brush dynamics, colors, and curve settings to create various frequency displays. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.